The purpose of this recording is to demonstrate new functionality being added to the change form in the November release. These new enhancements are to help support the rollout of the Configuration Management Database, or the CMDB as I'll be referring to it as. And this will also assist approvers and CAB members in determining the impact of their change that's under review. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, in the configuration item field, you can see we have PS Test Server 7, and noted in the short description, it's being decommissioned. Well, next to the CI field, there are two new icons you'll see. The first one, let me hover over, will show other active tasks affecting this CI. If I click on that, at a glance I can see there are 8 change requests and 1 incident that are also using that same CI. I can expand these groups to see a bit more information about those tickets. I'll want to understand the impact of my decommissioning the server on these other tickets before moving forward. Alright, the icon next to that one is actually a CI map. This is a very useful tool in that it allows you to see upstream and downstream relationships on your CI. In this case, PS Test Server 2 is dependent on Server 7, which is being decommissioned. And there's also 2 applications that are also dependent, Salesforce and SharePoint. I'll want to understand the impact of all those systems before moving forward and decommissioning the file server. The next enhancement is the Require CI Update field. By default, it's set to No, but it should be answered yes if your change impacts any data elements maintained in that CI record. So in this case, we're decommissioning a server, and the status of that server is maintained in the CI record. So it would require a CI update, as we're moving the server from deployed to decommissioned. So I'm going to save this change with yes as the value in that field. Okay, once I move this change to work in progress, it creates a change task for the assigned to. In this case, Matthew now has been assigned a task to update the CI. That gives him the awareness that the CMDB must be updated before he can close his change request. Once he updates the CMDB, Matthew will close his change task. In turn, he can close the change request. Well, that's it for the enhancement for November. If you have any questions, please reach out to your change manager or the ServiceNow admin team. Thank you.